I intend to apply every text I read in class to my life in order to improve my literacy development by finding the purpose of the reading. I intend to continue to be committed to my literacy skill development because there is a strong correlation between highly developed literacy skills and financial security. I intend to combat my fear of talking and discussing things over with my professors by making sure I go to their office hours 2 to 3 times a semester. I intend to start to motivate myself and to start being more positive about my educational goals with how well I'm doing so far. I intend to be part of the change of the statistics between Caucasians, Hispanics, and African Americans by helping and strengthening my literacy development. I intend to keep my pragmatic approach to my post-secondary education by making sure I do well so I don't waste my time or money. I intend to focus on all of my assignments and to not procrastinate in order to transfer where I would like to and to have the career I want. I intend to not become another statistic in the reading about high school by being prepared for my post-secondary education by being on top of all the coursework assigned to me. I intend to openly acknowledge my fears in order to overcome them. I intend to gain the mind for money, which is a great characteristic of an effective entrepreneur, by learning how to save and manage my money. I intend to become more open to change by practicing mindfulness and being in the present moment. I intend to go for it and aim big because I know if I really want it, I could really dedicate my time and put in 100% effort to what is imperative to get me to where I want to be. I intend to have a fatalistic viewpoint because college is filled with a win-lose situation, so it's good to be mindful and acknowledge that I will eventually fail and just to move forward. I intend to start including some of the author's background info into my summaries to be as accurate as possible. I intend to stay and take classes that are linchpin with the Transfer Achievement program because I know me being involved in a program will benefit me in the long run. I intend to make sure I can attest to the grading procedures for each course I take during my post-secondary education because it is imperative to my success here at Fullerton College. I intend to stay positive and mindful when it comes to starting new courses during and at the beginning of a new semester in order to be less stressed and to stay on top of my work. I intend to seek help if I am in a conundrum throughout a class by attending office hours or asking my classmates. As I continue to further my education, I intend on still following active reading checklists to help me understand the readings in all of my courses. I intend to overcome academic barriers by making sure I come to every class prepared. As I move forward, not only in college but in life, I intend to continue to practice mindfulness and to focus on the present moment. I intend to be aware and to appreciate the multiple exposures of vocabulary and new words and to practice using the words in order to expand my vocabulary. I intend to go to the writing center whenever I am assigned to write a paper to get the help that I need in order to do my very best on each paper. I intend to read aloud with my child and to read in front of them to show them how important reading actually is. I intend to start a foundation by taking my remedial courses very seriously to further prepare myself for my future transfer classes in order to be successful.